Welcome to Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to discuss what are the auto commands used in HVAC drafting. First command is area command. So for finding the area of the room or uneven area, we have to use double A enter, and it is useful while doing heat load calculations. So this is the area command. So let us see how to calculate the area of the uneven surface or any even surface. So let us see here. So you have to press double A enter. So if you want to find out the area of this room, so what we need to do is you have to press double A enter. We will get an indication. We have to specify first corner point. So we will take a small room. So it is not coming, so let us do it one more time. It is not indicating. You have to press double A enter. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, and again join first and last point. So we have got the area as 3.37 square meter. So in this way we can find the area of the room. Next command is matching the color of one line to another line. Use match properties command, MA enter. So let us see how we are going to do in that. So I have a green line so I want to make red. So first of all I make a line of red color. If I have a line then no problem, but I don't have a line of red color, so I'm taking a line of red color. So I want to match the properties of this red line to this green line. So what we need to do, let us see. MA enter you have to press. Then it is select source object. You have to select source object, that is red in color, and after that select destination object, that is green in color, and by using this we have made both the red color, that is green line as red color. Next command is Emulator command, and it is used for showing arrow direction, writing text for any object, that is indication of any object or duct we can make. So let us see how we are going to do this. Suppose I have a fan coil unit. This you can say I want to indicate this. I'll use MLD, that is short command is MLD for emulator. Click on this specify later. So I can make it by making ortho of. I can make it in any direction, so I have selected like this. Okay, so I will enter the text, whatever the text I need to indicate about that object. So I have made it as HCU, then press enter. See, in this way we can use mld command. This is also important command. And another command, line command, fillet, offset command, extend command. I have made the video for that. And trim command, I have made a video. Multi-text command, I have made the video in my channel. And let us see color command. So for using color command, you have to use col enter, col enter, col enter, then only we can change the color of the line. So I'm selecting green line. So let us see, take a line, L command you have to use, see here, like this. Col command, that is col command. It is not co, that will be copy. It is col command. And next is array command and scale command. And scale command is used for increasing or decreasing the size of any object. So let us see that. First of all, I will take this object here. I want to increase or decrease the size of this object. So for time being, I will take the object here for showing you. So what we need to do is you have to use sc command, scale command. So first of all, I'll write it as sc, enter, select object, specify base point, any point you can select. And based on your requirement, if you want to increase or decrease size, I want to decrease the size of this object, so I will make it as 0.3, then press enter. So I make it as small. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe and like my video. Thank you.